Whoa, did I just do all that taping? Hey everybody. So what I did today is I just set up my office, my study office. I'm so proud of myself. So let me tell you what I did. So I'm putting together my computer. My computer just got in. I just got in last night and I started putting it together, just putting my information on it and making sure everything's up and running. Because I had a time with my last computer to where I don't know, just I couldn't get it to accept my information. So I cut off and I couldn't come back on. So I spent like 3 hours on tech support and they told me at the end that the owner or whoever was supposed to clean the computer, swipe the computer, clean up all the data, didn't do it. A lot of times they said these people take shortcuts. So anyways, I was able to put my information in, but it blocked me out to where I couldn't get my information. And I still didn't get my information off the computer. So I hope nothing happened because I couldn't get back into the computer. It just blocked me completely out. So I wasn't able to swipe to get, to delete my information. But anyways, enough about that. So I got the same model computer as before. Last time I had a 27 screen. This time I have 21. Put up a picture in my office. I'm like redoing my office. I'm trying to be professional. Put up my picture that I got from Target. I had it for a while, maybe like a year now, and it was just sitting in the corner. I didn't know what to do. So when I wanted to redo my little office area, I was like, this is the perfect computer. This is the perfect picture. And then I also got from Walmart, I ordered these vases. It came three vases, and then it came with these, I don't know what you want to call it, these little flower things came with them also. But it was so much. So what I ended up doing, it came with 3 bundles. And it was just everywhere. So it was just too much. It was too distracting for you guys. And for me too. So what I did was I took out one bundle, and then so I used a bundle and a half, and the other bundle I put it over there on my other nightstand. So that's just it's a bundle and a half in there. It's like not all that focus. Come on, iPhone. So kind of looking good. And then I also got this little light. See, the light is super cool, and it has 3 different settings that I can turn it on. Off to the side like this because I also like to use this light too when I'm on my bed. I like to read, so I'll have this light is enough to reach me in my bed. I'm excited. I'm coming up getting professional with this study with me, and I appreciate everybody that tunes in to study with me. I'm getting a lot of positive feedback, so I will be back tonight. We're gonna do I don't know, trying to do this all-nighter study thing challenge. I'm going to try to do it. If it's not tonight, then it'll be next week. Okay? But anyway, so get your papers, but I will be back tonight. So get your papers, your pencils, your calculators, whatever you need, your water, your energy drinks, whatever you need, because we're going to get this studying thing on. Because I know you got a midterm. I know you got a paper due. I know you got things to do. If not, you can just sit back, relax, clean your kitchen, and just enjoy the music, because the music be banging, okay? So I thank you guys. Stay productive until I see you guys again. Love you. Bye-bye.